Ntate Kunene, thank you for your time. Has there been any updates since we, of course, last spoke to you just about an hour ago?
Yes, good morning on this sad morning. Yes, there is indeed some update. We just had a conversation with the driver and those who were on the bus. This is a clear hit. The lady was targeted. We are aware that she works at Nedbank. We spoke to the family, the husband, and so what happened here is the shooter got onto the bus in extension 5 at bus station 5. So he was on the bus. When the bus got here, before it could reach the station where the people were, the driver had somebody cocking a gun. He was sitting by the first seats next to the driver. So the driver had somebody cocking a gun, and then he stopped the bus immediately to see if this person is taking him. And as he looked at the camera also, he saw the gentleman. So the passengers approached the bus. The lady was in front. As she tried to get onto the bus, the guy held the gun with 2 hands and started shooting 2 shots. The lady ran away with the rest of the passengers that were trying to come onto the bus. About 4 passengers went around the bus, and the lady fell and another lady fell. And eyewitnesses are saying that the shooter did not shoot at this lady. Whilst this lady was down, he then hit 2 shots. So he fired 3 or 4 shots as they ran out. 2 shots when he was in the bus, 2 shots as they were running away, and then 2 shots directly at the lady as
Sanibonani, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to Mkosina Pilile. Ngiyabonga kakhulu for coming. Thank you so much. Mangabe umshayeka igama lami nguPhilile. Ngiyabonga kakhulu ukuthi ufike kule video. Please kindly subscribe. Mangabe ka subscribe kule channel. Subscribe ubuyi like i-video, ubuyi share. Kanti ke ukhumbule nokufaka i-notification bell yakho on ukwenzela ukuthi mangabe ngiya-uploada then you get notified. Ungakhohlwa njalo ukubuka ama-ads mangabe they pop up during the video, okay? So guys, ngisathukile kunodaba you guys ukuthiwa ke lwenzekelana ngase Vliehof, okay? Vliehof Roodepoort kuthiwa kudutshulwe owesifazane laphana guys ebhasini like I'm so surprised you guys. Like just imagine umuntu wesilisa adubule umuntu wesifazane ebhasini nakhona you guys. Like I am so shocked ngoba kuthiwa umdubulile wazi waphinda umdubule wamphinda lo wesilisa edubula lo wesifazane ukuthiwa usebenza ebhanki thizeni. A bank, if I have to say that. So amdubula you guys wasifazana wathi yabaleka wamphinda wawela phansi emveni kwalokho ke you guys wehla ke lo owesilisa bedubula omunye wagijima ngenyawo kwafika ke imoto ipholo emhlophe yamthatha kanjalo kusho ukuthi nje ubezokwenza umsebenzi wakhe ubengagibela ukuthi uyandawo you guys ubezokwenza lo kade ufuna ukukwenza kulo wesifazane. So I did not know you guys is it an ex or something. Ay abantu bethusa kulamalanga you guys. Imagine nje umdubula umuntu wesifazane umkhuthuza uphinde abale kuphinde like isibindi esaphekwa neje kwavuthwa itshe. Lo daba lase Vliehof trend you guys right now. When I'm going online I can see Roodepoort is trending because if Vliehof is in Roodepoort. So wow, ngilibona everywhere you guys, but ke ngoba you know ukuthi I like Khabito Isolezwe mangabe udaba lubhalwe ngesizulu ke ngizolufunda kule ndawo. So na wow, I'm seeing videos there you guys and pictures of exactly what happened. Mhlamba kuyenza kulahlela on my screen. I don't know kuthiwa ke kudutshile kwabulawa wesifazane ebhasini eGoli. Isithombe laphana kusendaweni esigameko something like that. Just imagine if you're in the bus. Ngoba kuthiwa ke lo mdubuli lo wabuye wakhomba enomshayeli webhasi you guys ngesibhamu emveni kokuthi adubule wesifazane wabuye wakhomba ke nomshayeli webhasi waqhubeka you guys washona phansi walala phansi ke udriver and kushuta kasamdubulanga. After that big ups to this driver waqhubeka wahambisa abanye abantu endaweni akade beya kuzo you guys. Sisaba phela ukuthi uzojika lo sigebe ngithizeni uzojika wahambisa abanye abantu ke la ade beya khona wabuye wajika back to indawo esigameko you guys because wow. Like really? Hey, namhlanje you guys like we are not safe. Namhlanje we are not safe. Like ubugebengu buningi I do not know you guys abantu ngempela baholo Satan angazi. Hayi ngeke bafethu. This one is just something else. Kuthiwa uvalo ke kubagibeli bamabhasi akwa Metro guys kubulawa omunye wabo egibele ibhasi elibangise ngase Sandton lisuka eVliehof. So kuthiwa wesifazana oneminyaka elinganiswa ku 40 ubudala osebenza ebhange uhlaselwe umsolo esitobhini ajwayele ukugibela kuso eFleehof ngolesithathu ekuseni, which is today. Like this is trending, like it's today. So umnumzana uKhen Kunene ke kuthiwa oyiphini likamongameli we-Patriotic Alliance nekhansela kamasipala waseGoli ke uthi ngempela njengoba befike endaweni yesigameko bazizwele ngokwabo okwenzekile. So uthiwa ke uthi lo wesifazana uhlaselwe engena ebhasini kanti umsola ubesengaphakathi wavulela ngesibhamu. Lo wesifazane ujike wazama ukubaleka kushuthi wesifazane bezogibela umsola ube phakathi ebhasini. So uthe mayithi uyagibela ke shuthi lo wadubula kabili wawa lo wesifazane wamqedelela edubula kabili you guys. Yo uthi bazothatha ivideo ke esebhasini ngize bezwile ukuthi umsola ubefihle ubuso egqoke ikepisi futhi eseqedile ukuhlasela kufike imoto emhlophe yohlobo lwePolo engenayo izinombolo yathatha umsola yaphelela emehlweni abantu nje. Shuthi le Polo ifikile ingena even inumber plate mntakabawo yafika yamthatha esenzile umsebenzi wakhe and then they fled. Satan onempondo yamazi okhulumela beMetrobus uGoodwill Ashivuri utshele abezindaba ukuthi kubuhlungu okwenzekile futhi nabanye abagibela bebekhona basathuthumela kumanje uthi bazonikezwe usizo lokwelulekwa kanjalo nomshayeli webhasi usathukile. Bancome ubuqhawe bomshayeli webhasi ngoba ngemva kokuhlaselwa kwalo wesifazane ushaya isibhamu ukhombe yena ngesibhamu kodwa walokhu elele njalo Sterling, okay, ngase Sterling, the bus steering, whatever. Esehambile umsola umshayeli usukile endaweni yesigameko ehambisa abanye abagibela abangu-15 kwenye indawo ephephile ethi mhlawumbe umgulugudu ungasuka ubuye mntakabawo. I'll do the same, you never know. Zingasajika lezi igebengu. So ke kuthiwa ke umshayeli usuke lapho wabuyela ke endaweni yesigameko njengoba umufi ubengakasuswa ke lapho because umyeni kamufi namanye amalungu omndeni abesendaweni yesigameko you guys. Kunene uthi umyeni ubatshele ukuthi ngomsombuluko umkakhe umtshele ukuthi uqaphele amadoda abesestobhini abesestobhini sebhasi angajwayele kodwa futhi awagibelanga uma sekufika ibhasi. Okay. So she usually sees these men abangajwayelekile kodwa kushuthi basuke besestobhini kodwa abagibeli kugibela yena bona abagibeli. So this time around they just wow, they shot her. Kushuthi khona into abayifunayo mhlawumbe kukhona you guys akade kusenzeka you guys like baphenyisise because what the hell is this one. Kuthiwa umkakhe utshele ukunene ukuthi uqaphele amadoda abasestobhini sebhasi angawajwayeli kodwa futhi awagibelanga uma sekufika ibhasi. Uthi lokhu kubenza basole ukuthi ukubulawa kwalo wesifazane bekuhleliwe. So is it work wise or njani you guys? How dare simela bestobhini sebhasi ibhasi yafika siyagibela wena ugibeli, which means bebezombheka nje bambhekisise baconfirm from whoever obathumile or whatever ukuthi nguye na yini lo. So okwanamhlanje ke you guys kuthiwa ke lo wesifazane unfortunately ayichangeke bafethu nje ushuthi bebethunyiwe you guys inkabinyana thize mhlambe imagine like umduli umkhuthu umuntu abaleka wele phansi umdubu hayi ngeke usho ukuthi nje uthunyiwe ukuthi yenza lento and uyenze yenzeke. Angithi kuhlela ukuthi inkabi you guys akumelanga zikukhuthi uma bengakaqedi ngawe phela basayohola imali labantu babangaqedi ngawe abakuyeki, which means mayedubula nje lwesifazane baleke uye wameka sho ukuthi uyaphinda futhi amshaye awele phansi ashona bese kufika le Polo ke iyabathatha bayahamba. Usebenza ebank so kubangwani you guys mhlambe izinto indaba zasemabhenki lana yini like you guys like So currently Roadport Fleehof is trending you guys because of lolu daba lolu noma lolu wesilisa you guys ofikile nje lapha estobhini sebhasi kodwa kuzokala sengathi ukuthi ube ngaphakathi angithi kuthiwa kuzokala sengathi ube ngaphakathi kwebhasi lo wesifazane umthetho uyagibela wamusho ngesibhamu ngoba efaka ikepi something like that you guys. Bishuthi bevele bemthayimile you guys ngoba ukuthi uye washe endodeni yakhe ukuthi ubona la abantu besilisa abamala lapha estobhini ukuthi ibhasi mayifika abagibeli. So mangathi 1+1 now uzobona ukuthi mhlawumbe they were there just to check mhlawumbe mabethunyiwe to make sure ukuthi is her and ugibela kulesi stop sebhasi something like that you guys ukwenzela ukuthi then the next time they come and do their job kanti ubanakile usisi ukuthi kanjani manje la madoda abagibeli ibhasi mayifika. You know what I mean? It's scary, man. It's a woman. Come on, man. What are you doing? You guys. There's a sapepili. Ngeke bafethu mara why mara. So yeah man, izo lezi indaba eniphathele zona ezasefleehof road depot kuthiwa ke owesifazane odutyuliwe lapha ebhasini osebenza ebhank. So kusho ukuthi ibhasi leli lisuka ngasefleehof liya ngaseSandton. Ngebhadi ke udade washona endaweni yesigameko guys. Share man. But yeah, those in the comment section, you guys are preparing buffet like where I ngeke you. Thank you so much for watching this video. Like it, subscribe, share, and then yeah, we meet again on my next upload. Bye.